It's always important in any of your campaigns and your accounts to keep everything as tightly grouped as possible. Breaking out your campaigns and your ad groups inside of each campaign to really just target one offering on your website, whether it's a product or a service. Keep those separated and keep those tightly niched into different ad groups. And it's important within that ad group to there's no definitive rule, but we like to keep things to 10 keywords or less. Anything more than 10 keywords, you probably don't need, especially with the use of broad or modified broad. But definitely, we never go above 10 keywords. And if you're really not sure about it, you could always use SCAGs or single keyword ad groups. So I know some of this is blurred out, so you can't see all of it. But on the left here, each of the campaigns are broken up into a certain offering for the client. And when we click on one, we can see the different ad groups, and these are the different individual products for that section of the site. And then going one step farther, click on an ad group, we can see four keywords, uh, two of them exact, and then we have a top of funnel exploratory, cold traffic, modified broad. Same thing with the next ad group, three keywords, three again, and three again. So typically inside of each ad group, we like to have as many exact matches possible, and you'll get more as more data rolls in and you see the search queries and you see what's converting well, getting a lot of clicks to your site. And we just like to keep one, maybe two variants of modified broad match for the cold traffic, the top of the funnel, to find those new visitors. But keeping yourself organized and tightly themed is going to help you with your ad copy. Um, each ad group, we split test two at a time. So, two different variants for just the one single product you're offering for each client. That way, we can definitely have that high ad relevancy and landing page relevancy to help our quality score. So, take some time, review your campaigns and ad groups, and make sure you're as tightly themed as possible in each.